Okay, so let us see how to file the TDS salary TDS return. Remember, this return also you have to file quarterly, but the TDS, remember, TDS you are paying every month, but the return you have to file quarterly. To file the TDS return, we require salary statement of all the employees with their PAN numbers and the total TDS deducted and the education says and everything. These two columns are very important with the PAN number and the names. Okay, and the employee number is also required here. Secondly, we required here is a challans paid. Here I have given you the challans which are paid. This challan is paid in the 5th of what May. Second challan, total challan paid is what 11,116 rupees. This, okay. Second challan is paid in June. Third challan paid in July. So 3 challans are there. TDS of salary, we are paying what all the employee TDS in one challan only. So for all this TDS, whatever is deducted on the salary, we have to pay only one challan. So you require data of what? Salary sheet. You require salary sheet with the challans you want. Plus you want a company information also. Then use the same software, that is RPU, whatever we have downloaded earlier. But here you select what? Form number 24Q and say continue. Okay, form number 24Q and say continue. See, once the 24Q, here the form you have to fill as it is. There is no change in the form. In the challan also there is no change. Okay, I've not this thing. Okay, I'll just enter some data, otherwise it will not go to the next form. Okay, so quarter 1, say RTK0297 So challan you have to fill same way whatever we have done. You have to add the column. There is no change here. Only thing you have to put what education says here with the TDS. Okay, rest of the things everything is same. In the annexure column, this is very important. Only what you have to enter the company. You have to enter here in the company this annexure. Add annexure. Just add annexure here. One. Just put one here. Just one just to show you. Here you have to select the section 92B here. Then here you have to put what? Employee number here. This is very important. In the 26Q we used to leave this blank, but you have to put employee number here. This is the rest of the thing is same. Okay, so there is no change in the returns filing of this 26Q and 24Q. Only thing you have to remember here, 26Q is for contractor professional, that return, and 24Q is a salary TDS return. Here also we have to do the same thing. Form is the same thing. What you have to fill, the detail, challan, we have to put what? Challan as per what? Whatever challans we have paid to the government, details about BSR code, then when the challan is paid, total amount of TDS is paid, and the total TDS is paid and everything, and education says how much. Okay, but in the annexure you have to enter what? Name of all the party. In the annexure you have to enter the list of all the employees whose TDS we have deducted. Okay, the list of all the employees whose TDS we have deducted, that we have to put it in the annexure. So I'll just show you the annexure part little bit. And as far as our this thing is concerned about CSI file download, you have to fill up the same thing. You have to say view challan details and all that. Okay, and here you have to fill the details about payment of the employee other than government. You have to fill the total challan amount here. The challan amount is what? 11116. Okay, this is the challan amount what you have paid. This is of May. Then June you have to put, and July you have to put. Confirm and download the CSI file. Okay, same procedure what we have done in the last 26Q. In the annexure also, so only thing in the annexure you will find a deductee reference number provided by the deductor. Just listen this. Deductee, it is not working. Yes, some problem is there. deductee reference number provided by the deductor. That in that you have to put what? Employee number. From the salary statement you have to put what? Employee number. This number you have to put there in the annexure. Okay, employee, in the annexure section you have to put that reference number. Okay, form, chalan, annexure. In the annexure section, okay, in the annexure section, I have created only one here, so I'll just show you here. In the annexure section there is what? Employee reference number, that you have to put. Education says also you have to put here. Okay, so everything you try to put everything there in the annexure section. So after entering everything in the annexure section and the this, you have to download the CSI file, then you have to create what? File here. Just I'm giving the explanation, you have to do everything. Okay, that's it.